Hey guys, it's Rob with Aquatic Aesthetics. Just showing you our newest cholla wood that just came in, the finger cholla. But I've got an unboxing for you. Not as big as it looks. There's just some larger fish in here, some special orders. So let's get this cut open and take a look at what we got. Okay, we'll just skip that box. That's nothing but black worms. Glad that one's out of the way. Okay, next box. Now we're seeing some fish. We've got the jade head delta guppies, males. Very nice looking. SP rasboras. These are a special order. Just I think 6 of them in here should be. Ooh, green severum, wild caught, medium. This one, well, there's 6 of them in here, and 3 of them are special order, and they're for me. That's right. For once, I'm special ordering my own fish. I'm gonna put those guys with my Oscars and see how they do. We have another green severum. And like I said, there's 6 of them in here. We have the Pandagaras. More of these guys. I just love these algae eaters. Boy, do they do the job. And we've got some Danios. Not sure what kind. They had the label. Let's see here. These are pearls. We have another green severum. And we have Bolivian rams. My favorite of the ram species. Wow, just so docile, friendly, great community fish. Let's move on to the next box. The gold nugget pleco hanging in midair right there. Looks like we got 3 of these guys here. Just a beautiful pleco. The ever evil assassin snail. I tell you what, guys, if you can ever find the video, a zoomed in microscopic view of these guys eating, it'll give you the chills. The root of all evil. And these are the, I don't see them. Where are they? They're the glass catfish. Oh, I see skulls and bones. That's it, and some eyes. You gotta love those glass cats. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, okay, yeah, I remember putting these on the list. There's another one hanging in midair. He was. These are giant autocinculus. This is a different species from the autos you know, and they do get large, about 4 inches. And boy, what a fish. Another big one. What do we got here? Fancy dwarf gouramis. Wow, these guys are big. I'm impressed. Let's move on to the next one. Looks like we got some guppies. And these are the red flamingo. Good color to them. I think those will sell pretty well. Now these next guys, I think these are the blue neons. We'll take a look at the label here in a minute. But you can see that just glow from the top. So if you decide you're going to do a guppy tub, these are the ones to have. Any of them that have that iridescence on the top, because in a tub you're looking from above, not from the side. And yes, these are the neon blue guppies, and they get that beautiful metallic blue sheen on the top. Yeah, I'm not pulling these guys just yet. I may have to though, because this is all going to collapse. Okay, these look like rummy nose. Don't even have to see the label for them. A handwritten label at that. Nice looking. They don't have the nose out, but they got the tail going. Now these are the champagne jam guppies. This is another one with a little bit of that iridescence from above. Very good for a guppy tub. Okay, we've got the Dumbo ear guppies. Beautiful fish. Nice tails on them. Wow. Okay, we'll go ahead and pull it. Some of you will be excited, some of you just won't care, but I know a few of you that want these guys. These are the South American puffers. These are a community puffer. You can keep them with some fish, mainly zebra danios, pearl danios, anything that's gonna move fast. Let's get another shot of these guys because they are such a curious animal. I'm shocked they're not looking right at the camera. And we have some mono shrimp. These are wonderful little algae eaters. They'll just go through green hair algae like mad. Looks like we're down to one left. The other one, it says saltwater, but it's just a coral. And no reason wasting your time on that because it won't show a thing. A twin-tail betta. He's not going to show us his tail. There we go. Beautiful colors. White seam butterflies. We hadn't had these guys in a while. They get that beautiful white edge on the tail. Very nice. Looks like we got 3 of them that came in. And the final betta is the Super Delta. Beautiful apricot color. And looks like we've got another green severum. Where'd he go? There he is. Another green severum. And I'm guessing this one's the severum number 6. Yep, there he is. Alright guys, well that's it. We got a lot to put up. Not as much as we normally do, but for a Thursday order, that's not bad. So, again guys, we got some new cholla wood, if that's something you're interested in. I've got several cases of the green alpine stone and the silver alpine stone that have just come in. So guys, come see me. See you at the store.